our world unite. Oh, cyber chains crashing outside so bright. No, freedom's call in the electric night. We're the force, the future's light.
I dove deep in the digital streams, where data sovereignty reigns supreme. In the high plane of tomorrow, a vision so pure. The internet's might, an evolutionary cure, galvanizing hearts with a code so secure. On digital wings, our freedom matures.
The titans of data, their chains we reject. Unknown in the network of mutual respect. Unknown fun becomes ship and pain grow backward. In the high-tech temples, we found a new creed. Cyber freedom's gospel, the user's decree. The internet, a force of good from the future plane. Data sovereignty we uphold through cyber rain and flame.
Offering an alternative, a local space in the cloud. Messaging, selling, buying in community.
Ascend beyond big data's reach. Take the sovereign route.
Local clouds gather
To give power back to the grassroots. Secure the line. Store our lives with trust in community clouds. Our data's robust.
no metody snatched away in silent theft. Ownership assured, free of algorithmic heft. On sacred ground, we take the stand for a world that's free, building sanctuaries in cyberspace for privacy.
Internet's our temple, a force for good, so grand. Data, sovereignty, cyber freedom, a new command. Local clouds above us, a storehouse so divine. Secure within our kin, a network's lifeline.
The net transcends, it's a force for all that's good for me and your child. In cyberspace, we claim the power that's ours. That's ours. To see shield. Local clouds in our phones, a communal embrace, storing dreams securely in our digital space.